Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today I'm going to show you a very simple job, how to change the windshield wipers on the back window as well as the front window on this 2010. It's a Infiniti, it's an EX35. It's fairly easy. What you got to do is you're going to take that, you're going to look at it, you're going to realize that you can't get this wiper blade off. Turn it down a little bit so you can see. You can't get this wiper blade off of the car here. What you need to do is you need to take this cover off right here to gain access to it. So let me just show you how to go about doing that. You just take this cover here. Let's bring it a little closer. What you do is take this little cover here, you put your fingers underneath it, and you lift it up and off just like that. And this screw here, you can take that screw out. You can either use a ratchet or you can use a wrench. You just break this loose, hold the blade, break it loose, and you can take it off like this. And then you just rock this back and forth a little bit. It comes right off. Now keep in mind where the blade is actually located here, because you're going to need to put it back on that way. Like this. And now you take the blade, you turn it, and it comes right off just like that. So let's grab the new blade, and we're going to put this back together. Now remember, the way it came off, you have these little pieces inside here. Very important that you know where they go. All right, so let's grab the new blade, and we'll put it back together. Okay, then we take our new blade, we take this piece here, put it over the blade like this, and you just push it in. You'll hear it snap in place. And you turn it down, and that's it. The blade is now on the way it's supposed to be. And the way you put it back on is put it on like this, put it back into its location where it was. Screw on your nut. Now, you're not going to make this very tight because you don't want to break it off. All right, you just snug this down like that. Take our plastic cover, put it back over the top like this, and that's it. All right, rear wiper is done. Let's go up to the front, and we'll do the front wipers now. Okay, what you would do is you lift the blade up off the window like this. You're going to take this little piece here, lift this up. It's a lock. Take it off just like that. And then you take the blade, pull it this way. And out, just like that. Now we'll get our replacement blade and we'll put it back in. Goes over the top like this. Like that, and you pull it. And you'll hear it lock right into position, and you'll lower it down on the window. And now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay. We'll do the same thing. We're going to lift this blade up. We're going to lift open that little hatch right there, just like this. And then you pull the wiper blade off, and right out just like that. Be careful not to drop this arm down on the window because you will fracture the window. All right, we take our new blade. Bring it up like this, put the blade in, and you pull it until it snaps in place, and that's it. Wiper blades are done. So that's it. As you can see, putting the wiper blades on is a fairly easy job that anybody can do. The key is that when you take that wiper off of the arm, do not let that arm fall down and hit the window. If that arm falls down and hits the window, you're going to break the window and you'll be changing the windshield on the car. All right, make sure your lock tab is snapped back in place if you have one. This particular car or this particular blade does not have that. So that's it, you're all done. All right, let's get this car out of here and we're on to the next one. All right, as always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.